Years ago, I used to be a nanny for an autistic boy that was 2.5 years old by the name of Justin. Now, Justin really enjoyed playing with the light switches. The bill was going higher and higher. So I went to several stores trying to find something that would prevent him from playing with the light switches, but they had nothing on the market. I was sitting on my sofa and God told me to do it myself. He told me, I will show you exactly what to do. So he told me to go in the kitchen and get these pieces of plastic that was in a drawer and for me to soften them, file them down, and shape them in the mold that I want. Well, I did all that, and I scotch taped it over the light switch. And lo and behold, it stopped Mr. Justin from playing with the light switches because he could no longer get to the switch. When Justin's dad got home, I showed it to him, and he felt that I had something also. So he told me, he said, look into how to protect the idea and how to bring it to market, and I'll back you financially because I really think that you have something good going on. I started the process. It has been 4 years from start to finish, from the development of the idea to the prototype to the patent and getting it to the manufacturer in China and actually getting the finished product. But what I want to tell everyone is that God will put people in your path to help you if you just believe. By the way, I just got a letter this week about Washington, D.C. had given me my patent number. That is just such a wonderful, wonderful thing. So here is the finished product. You will hear from me later.